it's a hard truth, but let's face it, no? Kahit paggaano karaming alam nating gawin, or mga bagay na alam na natin, or we are knowledgeable from, if we're not going to take action, it's useless. Now, the next challenge will be, how are we going to make it easier to implement? No? And that's where AI comes in. No? Artificial intelligence is already there to actually help us. Most of the people that we know, iniisip nila, nako, yung AI, papalitan tayo niyan. No? It's not. No? AI is there to actually assist us, guide us, and make our work better, faster, and more convenient. Now, on this episode, we're going to talk about how are we going to build systems using these AI tools to make our lives and work easier. Pero teka lang, baka isa na naman to sa mga iniisip natin na additional things that we're going to purchase or going to distract ourselves na baka nga lalo lang tayong mahirapan sa pagiging productive. No? So baka maging shiny object syndrome na naman to na, uy, maganda to. No? But at the end of the day, we less, but at the end of the day, we fail to implement. So in this episode, we're going to actually know if matutulungan ba talaga tayo ng mga tools na to o hindi. Once again, my name is Sean Sebastian and this is Hustle with Ikigai. So let me ask you something. Why are there people who are actually getting successful while others are getting stuck? It's not talent, hindi yun swerte. It's not about having the right information or having the right bachelor's, master's, or doctoral's degree. It's about systems. Systems that turns motivation into action, sorry. Systems that turn intentions into action. Systems that actually work even motivation doesn't. Kasi minsan, yung motivation natin nawawala eh. But will actually help us move forward, no, and carry on with our daily lives, our systems, no, not motivation. So think about those lodis, mga idol nyo na mga sikat na entrepreneurs, successful, you know, persons in this world, no? Makikita nyo, if you're going to really observe their lifestyle, they are actually following religiously a systematic lifestyle. No? They religiously have a morning routine, fitness regimen, studying, studying period, all those things that they're actually doing are part of systems. In 2023, McKinsey published an article talking about how 37% of entrepreneurs who actually established systems was able to actually beat the 2-year mark for businesses. Kasi usually, no, if you're a business owner, may tinatawag tayong 2-year mark na within 2 years, if your business is not really working, it's a failure. No? And according to McKinsey research, no, those businesses who actually had solid systems was able to beat that 2-year mark. And it's not just business systems, it's also involving personal systems of the business owners. So personally, when I was actually starting, I'm all over the place. I don't know where to start. I don't know what I'm going to do. I have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of things that I want to do. But when I actually build that systems, when I actually put myself, okay, sit down, list down all the things that I want, list down all the goals that I need to do, list all the things that I have to accomplish, and I actually build systems for me to go there from point A to point B. That's what actually helped me, makes my work better, easier, and faster. Imagine having that kind of system that before I was really having a hard time. It's taking me, weeks, even months, no? But when I actually build systems, no, on my personal schedule, on my working habits, working becomes much better. And one thing that actually helped me with that is the presence of AI tools in my life. So I'm also an AI advocate for those of you who know me. I actually advocate using AI tools because it's there to really help us. So let's talk about ano nga ba yung mga tools that we can actually use to help us, become more productive or build systems for us. There's a lot of AI already happening around, no, or being published every day, no. There's 1,000 AI tools already, but right now, personally, I am using this language model based AI, pati mga open source. So I'm using OpenAI in ChatGPT. I'm also using Gemini. I'm also using Claude AI, DeepSeek, and Grok, paminsan-minsan. But all these tools are there to actually help us, become more efficient in our work. Now, how are we going to integrate that in our work, in our work systems, in our personal life? So make sure that you would use AI not only for convenience, but you will train AI, to work for you better. Kasi don't make AI do the work for you. That's a wrong perspective, guys. No? If you're going to be dependent on AI, then you are actually going downhill in your business, in your personal life. But if you're going to make AI work for you, no, then it means you are going to build systems on top of these AI tools. So maraming ways dyan, no? I actually made a video. I already did a live video for that, wherein I actually compared these different language models, AI tools, depending on your career type. Kung business owner ba kayo, kung freelancer ba kayo, kung ano mang klaseng ginagawa nyo, if you're a student, depending on your needs and demand of your work, nakalagay na doon. Ginawa ko na yung ano na yun. And I'll be putting the link on this video also to access that live video. So, marami ring ways to actually create systems, no? Almost all CRM tools, when I say CRM tools or yung mga project management tools na ginagamit ko ngayon, are already AI powered. Ano yung mga examples na to? Si Notion, no? Si Trello, si Lark, si si ClickUp, and all of them are already AI powered. So guys, actually creating systems is not that anymore hassle. No, it's really hassle-free. You just have to actually tap on what you need, tell AI what to do, and it will actually create systems for you. So, with regards to creating systems, I created a framework. No? Tinatawag kong AIMS framework. So, this framework is for us to be able to implement these systems with the help of AI. No? Ano ba yung AIMS framework na sinasabi ko? So, AIMS framework, ito yung A stands for awareness. So, start by using AI to expand your self-awareness. No, you can actually talk to AI. Kagandahan ngayon sa mga AI ngayon, you can actually talk to them, no? Like you're talking to another person. And it actually helps you know yourself better, no? You can try that, no? If you're actually using AI for quite some time, for example, ChatGPT, no? And you ask ChatGPT, okay, based on our previous conversations, can you tell me more about myself? Or what do you think about me? Pwede niyong tanongin, no? So you can get that kind of self-awareness. Next, for the AIMS framework is yung integration. So when we say integration, hindi mo dapat magbe-base lang sa isang AI tools. No? Again, as I've mentioned kanina, meron tayong mga language AI models, meron din tayong mga project management models that will actually help us create a solid system. So make sure that you're not just focused on one thing. You make use of, the benefits of each AI tools to get or to build a better system. So integrate mo, pwedeng i-integrate mo si OpenAI o si ChatGPT sa Google Sheet mo or sa Google Workspace, possible yun, no? You can do extensions for that. So, para mas mapabetter yung integrations mo. So, wag kayong maging close-minded into one tool lang. No? So, ayun kagandahan sa mga AI ngayon kasi may mga API, no? May integrations na. It's integrated, may integrations ready features sila. Ano pa yung mga pwedeng nyong integrate with regards to health, no? Tracking your health, no? May mga AI tools tayo that will help track our heartbeat, kung mahilig kayong tumakbo, nag-Strava kayo, Yung mga ganong platforms, you can actually integrate that to your systems, no? Para holistic yung lifestyle nyo. Hindi lang basta work, no? Pati nga, again, personal systems is important, no? And then M, measurement. So what gets measured gets managed. Remember that, no? If you don't measure things, it's useless, no? Kahit pa sabihin mo na marami kang ginagawa, at the end of the day, you feel productive, you feel busy. If it's not being measured, it's not getting managed, it's not really helping you grow, no? So, kailangan alam natin clear yung mga bagay. Dapat may mga metrics tayo, no? Make sure that you are measuring things, no? And then lastly, of course, on this framework, yung systematic thinking na tinatawag natin. Do you know that you can actually teach AI to become a systematic thinker, where you can actually ask AI or prompt it the way you actually think, no? And better if you're going to use AI to think like, experts, think like your idols or your, business mentors. You can actually ask AI to do that. So using AIMS framework, you'll be able to implement well, no, yung mga dapat gawin ninyo to make sure that you're going to be productive, no? Even if, you're not motivated. So here's the bottom line. AI cannot really make you successful. No? Wag nyo aasahan yung AI, no? But actually, AI can really help you become a better person, better systematic person, because AI will actually handle most of the things that you're actually doing, and it will help you, no? But AI will be your best implementation partner. So make sure na maging open-minded kayo when it comes to AI. Kasi I know it seemingly be competitive for us humans when it comes to work. But in reality, it's our best partner. It's our best tool to become good in our job, to become good in our business, to become good in our work. Remember, AI won't replace humans ever. But, you know, people who are using AI will replace who don't. So again, this is Sean Sebastian with Hustle with Ikigai. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on my socials at Sean Sebastian T, Facebook, IG, and TikTok. And visit my website at www.seansebastian.com. And for those of you who want to have a one-on-one or personal coaching with me, make sure to send me a message. See you on our next episode. If you found this valuable, make sure to hit the subscribe button, like, and share to your friends so that we make sure that the value that this video contains goes to the right person. Again, this is Sean Sebastian of Hustle with Ikigai.